Hey guys, sorry about yesterday, battery died, but I want to show you. Got the panel all nice and installed, all bolted down, the first relay mounted, started hooking it up, and got it ran to the switch. Oh, focus, there we go. Alright, got it ran to the switch, and now I'm starting to pin it into a Deutsch plug, which I'm going to run the 2 grounds from the fuse block to the Deutsch plug, and one connects back up to the switch because we're running a negative system, and then I forget what it's called, but run it from there, and we'll run a ground into here. Another ground will come out of here from the other side of the Deutsch plug and connect up to the other pin, which will complete the circuit. So when I turn it on, it will once it completes the circuit, it'll turn the fuel pump on. And then the other 2 wires, there will be one ground going for the fuel pump and one powered going to the fuel pump. And this is the trigger power that I've already got pinned in there. So we're getting there. I'm gonna keep rocking and rolling on it. I'll update y'all in a little bit whenever I get a little farther. Well, guys, that's this whole side of the harness done. Well, for the fuel pump. Now we just got to run it from there to back, run some wire, and we'll have a fuel pump. All right, guys, I'll get back to you. All right, boys and girls. So, we got a fuse. We got the other side of the breaker. We got a Deutsch connector. It runs all the way to the back. Now listen. Oh yeah, boy! We now have a working fuel pump. All right, guys. So now we got the fuel pump working. It smells like gas now. I need to figure. Ooh, that gas really stinks. Some old gas. I really need to figure out how to wire up the engine. That's gonna be the fun part. I don't know how the engine harness is supposed to run, what direction it's supposed to go. I do know where things are supposed to plug up at, but I don't know. Now I gotta wait for the gas to get going so I can make the shifter bracket to go down below. Because it can't be welding gas in here. Well, I guess I could work on the back windows. That's gonna be a little bit more complicated, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll try to figure it out. But in the meantime, we got a fuel pump. Yeah. Progress. Yeah, I mean, really, we're down to wiring the engine. I can work on lights. Because I gotta run all new lights to the back and the front too. We can work on lights. But anyways, till then. Alright, we got the engine harness finish. We've got the shifter bracket to make. Put the transmission back in. Starter in. Put the tail shaft in. Put some new oil in it. Make some new brake lines. Put the radiator in. Fill it up with water. And we're ready to cook. We will be ready to cook, guys. So yeah. I'm gonna get back into it. I know nothing much sliding yet, but we got fuel. Alright. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So a lot has happened since the last time I picked the camera up, and I just want to show y'all. I have no idea if any of these plugs are right because none of them are marked. I just kind of ran with it the way they wanted to lay, and yeah, so I have most of the engine wired up. I don't know what this goes to, or if anything. I've still got to figure out the coolant lines. I guess I got all the injectors plugged into the right plugs and the water. I'm thinking I got everything plugged into the right plugs, along with the crankshaft position sensor. Like I said, I have no idea if any of them's right. I know this one's MAF because it said MAF, and I had one other plug that said plug under throttle body, so I got that plugged up. I got the idle air control plugged up. I don't know if it's the right plug or not. But yeah, I've got pretty much the whole wire harness sorted out. I put the radiator in. I laid the wire harness back across the front there. I don't know if I'm going to utilize any of that wiring though, because I don't know if I want to deal with those plugs or not for the lights, if I just want to run new ones. Still got to get some brake lines so I can make new brake lines. Which I'm probably gonna have to disassemble some stuff, but it's whatever. It's a little bit of nothing. But yeah, we're getting there. Getting there. Whenever it's dry, and I have enough time, I'm gonna get under the car and do those, make those brackets for the shifter. If y'all don't remember, the front eyelet that bolts up the transmission's broke, and the wings broke off the transmission too. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for right now. I'm going to I'm gonna look into some more stuff and try to get some more work done to it. We're getting ever so closer. I'm gonna remount the I gotta find out if or where I can get some lights. That's one thing I gotta do, because I have nothing for light to the rear. So yeah, I don't have anything for that. I'm gonna put the headlight stuff back into the front there, and I'm gonna see how these lights that were in it, how they look, and we'll see how that turns out. If not, I got a pair of E36 lights I'm looking at going to buy. Just the housings. They're just the housings. I'd have to fabricate and work up and do some work to it. But yeah, I'll get back to you whenever or I might just put you on time lapse or sit you down while I put all this headlight assembly stuff back together, if I can remember how. We'll see. Alright guys.
In the night, I hear my heart's cry. Shattered dreams, I wonder why. Love's embrace, now just a trace. Lost in echoes of goodbye. I'll rise from the ashes, higher than before. Break these chains, find what I'm looking for. Through the pain, I found my way. In the light of a brand new day.
Well, that's probably better than factory. Oh yeah. Now we gotta find some kidneys. Missing our kidneys. Alright. Probably a Jolly Green Giant starting to come together, guys. Starting to look like a car again. Now. About time to put the hood on. About time. Alright. I guess let me go grab the lights. Good. Yeah, guys, I don't know crap about these lights. Oh, look at these things. There's some sort of LED, I guess. I don't even know. Enforce warning module. Soundoffsignal.com. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be strobe lights for emergency vehicles. I'm about positive that's what those are. Yeah, we're gonna put those in the junk pile. We'll have to get some lights. I guess I'm gonna buy them E36 lights after all. So yeah, I gotta see if I can figure this out. Oh yeah, if anybody knows anything about beamers, remember that one odd plug I showed you earlier? This is the other side. This looks like it's the other side to it. But what does this go to? Like, there's an ECU plug here. Alright. Yeah, there's relays here. There's a main power wire here. These look like injector plugs. Yeah. Hey, there's a B clamp though. I'll take that. So yeah, guys, I don't. If you know, let me know, please. I need to put the clutch fan back on. One thing I do need to do. Let me get that. Clutch fan. Not gonna find bolts. But yes, so just to put y'all in context of why I have no idea where anything goes, because nothing was labeled, and that stuff and that stuff are all HVAC. Those are control panels that I'm not gonna use, but I got this slew of stuff, and if y'all remember, that's the exhaust we took off. But yeah, I don't know. But I'm gonna go find some bolts to put that clutch fan back on, and I'll get back to you. And I think I've got to order a new radiator hose set, because none of these match up right. Yeah, none of them match up right. And I might end up buying a new radiator. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'll get back with you guys.